Today I'm digging into the Google Pixel tablet with a list of 10 things I learned about this device that you might need to know. Whether you're a current or potential buyer or you're just curious about this device, stick around for 10 interesting insights I've gained from my use of this new piece of Google hardware. A nice surprise is to find the tablet's batteries always charged and ready to go thanks to the dock. This is unlike my experience with my iPad, which always seemed to have dead batteries when I reach for it. I'll often pull the Google tablet off the dock to find the batteries at only 80 or 90% instead of 100%, but that's a good thing. Android includes smart adaptive battery charging technology to keep that battery healthy. Removing and returning the tablet from and to the hub is pretty slick, but it's tricky for new users. To remove it, grip the side and slide it off. To place it back on the hub, hold the tab lightly, align the bottom center of the device, and slowly move it into place. You'll feel the magnets tugging at the tablet. Just guide it in. It's a bit like docking the shuttle to the International Space Station.
Perfectly aligned. 24 feet separating the two spacecraft, pressing in for final approach and docking. Standing by for contact and capture. Contact, docking confirmed.
The dock speakers don't work when the tablet is removed. This is an unusual choice by Google. While the dock can play as a single speaker or one of several in a speaker group, the sound continues to play on the tablet when you pull the tablet off the dock. That's just an odd choice, Google. I'm hoping maybe this is a firmware adjustment, but suspect this is a hardware limitation. To set up the tablet, I used a USB-C cable and connected the tablet to my Google Pixel 7 Pro, and the process was fast and smooth. Afterwards, I ended up deleting apps on the tablet that were really mobile-based, such as two-factor authentication, restaurant in-store order apps, and travel services. The tablet is now ready for my intended use: content consumption, research, and home control. You really want to keep this tablet next to your primary or secondary TV. I didn't realize how much it complements TV watching. Using the on-screen widget, I can control my TV. The Google TV app lets me search for shows. I can queue up content in YouTube TV or other streaming apps. Use the Google Home app or Assistant to adjust lighting. Lastly, if I have something on the tablet to share, I can quickly cast it to a Chromecast device or a TV with built-in Chromecast. In my case, a wonderful Sony Bravia series television with Chromecast for Google TV built in. And if you like what you've heard so far, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that thanks button or visit buymeacoffee.com/retrocombs to learn how you can support me on a regular basis. Now let's get back to the list. The Tensor processor allows quick app launching and multitasking. I've not seen one UI stutter. The Titan M2 keeps everything safe and secure. The fingerprint sensor is responsive and quick, although I continue to have problems locating it when I rotate the screen, even though there's this little highlight on the screen that will often point it out. I suspect at some point I'm going to put a small mark on the front of this tablet so I can easily find the sensor. Since the tablet includes robust security, you may as well set up multiple tablet accounts for members of the entire family. This way, every member of the household will have their own custom tablet experience. I'm all in on Google Assistant and Matter-compatible devices. My devices are spread over several brands, including Wise, Hue, Govee, and Google. Connecting my devices via the Google Home app, I can control every one of them right from the tablet. Not only can I use the Google Home app, I can also set up some widgets on my home screen for even quicker access to these home automation devices. There's a bit of a user interface quirk I was already aware of since I use Android apps on my Lenovo Duet 3 Chromebook. Not all apps are tablet optimized. Many apps don't resize or fill the screen. However, there is a slap on the forehead fix. Rotate the tablet into portrait mode. You can then use the app full screen. This is our fix until developers update their apps with tablet mode. And rounding up our list of top 10, before I purchased, I did not realize how super convenient it would be to grab the tablet off the dock and use it to capture notes, research, read, watch video, or activate Google Assistant routines. I find myself often taking it off the dock at the beginning of the day, using it throughout the day, and then docking it in the evening so it's ready to wake me in the morning. So that's our list of top 10, but viewers know I like to throw in a few bonuses, and this video is no exception. Here are 2 more bonus items. This is likely the first and only tablet to receive Android 14 updates. Google states the tablet will receive updates until June of 2028. That might even get us to Android 15 or 16. I don't think any other third-party brand Android tablet will have that kind of upgrade path. Now this is a fun little tip. Add a Logitech K480 keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse and you have a great little desktop experience with the Google tablet. Any Bluetooth keyboard would work, but I like the K480 because the Google tablet just fits so nicely in the provided slot. And that's the Google Pixel tablet, an always charged productivity powerhouse disguised as a sleek living room Google Home hub. Be sure to check out this video where I share how I use my Kindle Scribe, and in the second video here, I put a film noir spin on my review of the FreeWrite Smart Typewriter. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. retroCombs out.